Greetings. Our process is very simple. We want to see how we can intimate you on how to solve this error message on your prepaid meter. If you're having this kind of issue, it's nothing to worry about. You have it like this. Okay, you have connects, and now you're having this feedback. This actually connotes that your user interface is not paired with the meter in question. Now, to resolve this, you have to ensure that your power cable is plugged into your wall socket, right? That's condition one you have to meet. Sometimes you've already exhausted your unit. Ensure that there's a battery in there. If you're no longer getting supply from the PPM, then pressing any of the buttons, it will return connect like this. Just stay for a while. Once it returns failed, please press in this query code. Just press this. Now, if you send it, it will return succeed. So when you have this, all you need to do is just dial in your meter number. And what do you expect next? Good, you're good to go. So this will help you resolve this kind of issue. This issue reservation is actually applicable to meters with this serial numbers. I think this should help you. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and we'll be coming to you subsequently as time goes on. Thank you.